In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to help you write and refine a high-level history essay. I begin by setting up a custom persona for ChatGPT, asking it to function as a history essay assistant that prioritizes structured arguments and deep analysis. ChatGPT acknowledges my request and outlines a standard structure for our future essays, ensuring they all include a clear thesis statement, evidence-based body paragraphs, and a significant conclusion. Next, I ask the AI to write a 600 to 700 word essay exploring the complex reasons behind the fall of the Roman Empire. The AI produces a detailed essay that examines how domestic political instability, economic troubles, and external pressures from invading groups led to the empire's eventual collapse. It moves beyond simple facts to explain how these factors created a cycle of decline that the Roman leadership could no longer control. To further improve the quality, I prompt ChatGPT to review its own writing, identify the weakest points, and rewrite them with more specific historical data and stronger analytical language. ChatGPT provides a helpful critique of its previous work, noting where the analysis was too general, and offers improved paragraphs featuring specific events like the crisis of the 3rd century. This refined version offers much more precise historical evidence and clearer connections between the facts and the overall argument, making for a much stronger final paper. By following this iterative process, I can quickly transform a standard draft into a sophisticated academic essay. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.